Hello guys, today I feel like teaching you guys on how you can create stunning looking pictures using just two apps. The number one app is Gemini, and the number two app is Snapseed. So let's say, for example, we are done with this image. You can see how I'm doing it. You can see. So I'll click on, I've already saved this one. Let's create from the scratch. For example, I have this image here. First of all, let's work on the looks. You can see the looks down here. Looks, you take it to accentuate, allow it to load up, allow it to load up. Patient, please guys. Allow it to load up, guys. If it's taking longer, you cancel it. Then you go back to it again, or you start afresh. Let's start afresh. Okay, that's what, guys. You click on OK. Then you go to tools. Okay, click on crop. What you're trying to do here is to get a perfect celebrity type images that you see on social media. I think it's taking longer. Click on tools, click on crop. Let me start all over because I think it's having issues. So click on the app Snapseed here. Okay, click, go to, okay, I have all the images I want to work on it. Let's click on the one we're doing for. So you go to accentuate. Remember I said you should click on accentuate and say okay. Then you go to tools, crop. Let's crop the image properly. Okay, you can see guys, the top part is not properly cropped. Let's go back to crop and crop just the top. Alright guys, one good thing about this app is that for cases where you have the Gemini logo and watermark and whatsoever, just like what we are seeing here at the bottom right, you easily go to tools, you select healing, then you can just tap and drag down. You can see, boom guys, it is that simple. Okay, you can use it to remove watermark from your images or unwanted material from the images, maybe text, dots, blah blah blah. Okay guys, we are not done. Click on tools, you go to details. Under structure, you just move the slider to your right, click under the picture, take it to either 25. I always use 25, yes, because 25 gives me the best output. Okay, then you say okay, then you go back to tools, you say details, you can go back to here, just bottom here, this slider, click on it, you see sharpening, you take it to 100%. You can see how I'm moving slider from the bottom. 100, you see, okay, 100 is not good for this particular image. You can leave it at 40, or let's say 45. Alright guys, click on Okay, when you're done, if you're pleased with the output, you click on export and say save. Okay, boom guys, that is it. That's just it. You can decide to export by sharing, by saving, or by exporting as. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I share what works in my inner circle for free. Alright guys, remember to share. Thanks for watching.